Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a quick one today. It's not going to be our normal tutorial that we normally cover when we build a project. This is just going to be a quick update and also a release of my third version of the loan management SaaS that I've been working on. I did the version 1 last year. Then we also have version 2 which was launched a couple of months ago. So today I want to just share with you the version 3 of it. There's some tiny improvements that we've made, but I also wanted to just be sure to give you updates on the progress so far and also get to answer some of your questions. I know a lot of you have been making some questions on the comment section about the project, so I want to be able to answer that. So if you're a developer and you're looking forward to build your own SaaS, then this video is definitely for you. So let's get right into the video. So one of the things that a lot of clients really ask for is the currency support. So one of the things that I had in my mind when I was building this, I only built it for the local context, that is for my own country, but it turns out it managed to do very well. I've managed to get a lot of requests from different countries here in my region. So for that reason, therefore, I've managed to make it a multinational product where different countries within my region can be able to just customize the country settings, the currency, the language, just everything to be able to fit their needs. So that is one of the changes that I've been able to do. So if you can to the sections, then settings, you can see that you can change the currencies. Right now Kenya, but you can update the settings. I can just scroll down. We can go to localization. Here you can set it to Kenya, you can set it to Uganda, you can set the time zone to Kenya or just any other country that you're looking for. If you are in the African region, then you can also to the section. Nothing changes here. The only big change that people requested for the multi-currency support. So right now in Uganda, Zambia, you can be able to use this system as well, and all the localization will be able to reflect globally in your project. So that is one thing that we've managed to add into the project. That is really important if it's going to be for multinational, because you don't want the same currency appearing in different countries. So that is something that we've taken care of. Right, so like I told you, we do have financial insights that we managed to refine. From the last video, it wasn't that refined, it was just some AI analysis, but there wasn't too much going on. But for now, for this case, you can be able to upload a new statement just like this, new statement. Then for this one, you need to add a password protection. The other one, I didn't have password protection. So things like bank statement, right, like the mobile money statements, they do have what they call password protection. So the previous one didn't support password, so it was only for documents that had no password protection. So for this one, you can just enter a passcode and then you can just say analyze your statement. We are also using the latest models for the AI analysis. It's a combination of AI and also local algorithm. So the local does its part, then the AI also does its part when it comes to text summary and also just flagging out some features. So this is the new version of the AI insights. As you can see, we do have the borrower assessment here. You can see it be able to give you an assessment based on the member's transaction history, the income, the expenses, the net flow, and also some risk factors here. Now, the cool thing that I've managed to add in the version 3 of this one is that you can just be able to directly assign this credit score to a member, right? So instead of going and manually typing it under the member section, you can see the members section, we do have a credit score field for that. But now for this one, after doing this analysis, you can just automatically assign it to a member. But then you can just search a member ID here. Currently I don't have any member, but you can just search by the member ID. Then it will automatically just get you the member. Then you can just confirm it here using the name and score. Right, so that is one of the things that we've managed to add, as well as a generate report that gives you just a PDF report that you can share with your team, also with the member if you want to share with him the credit score. So that is one of the major features that we were able to do. We are using the latest models that are really smart and powerful, and we've also added the local algorithm that is going to do its part before it even actually goes to the AI itself. So that is the financial insight part. We're looking forward to refine the identity insight too. We're still doing some research on the best way to be able to do the identity insight, but for that case we will be able to do that. We'll be able to roll out that feature in our upcoming version that should be on our version 4, probably in a couple of months to come. So that is something that you're looking into. Lastly, under financial insight, you can just go back to new analysis and you'll be able to get the analysis much cleaner and much better. Now, to answer some of your questions, one of you in the comment section was asking, am I marketing the source code, or am I teaching it, or am I just marketing the software itself? Now, currently, I'm not going to sell the source code. That is something that I had in mind before, but that is something that we have closed the doors for. Following the system now is currently in the market, I think it's not going to be ethical to continue sharing the source code of the application. Another question is that, am I going to teach it fully here on YouTube? Just to be honest, I'm not going to share the exact same source code of this application here on YouTube. Once again, that is just for reasons that are obvious. This is a system that is currently being used by organizations here in my country. Now, exposing everything on YouTube here is not going to be possible. So currently I just do have one-on-one lessons or mentorship programs that I do have for people who are interested in learning how to build not exactly this, but something similar to this, right? So that is the program that I do have. I don't have a course that teaches this on Udemy or any other platform, but I do have one-on-one mentorship programs where we go together, we build, we design, we debug, right? Live session that is going to be one-on-one meetings where we do agree with somebody, then we just go over the system, not necessarily this entire thing, but we do build something similar like this together, where I give you the mentorship on how to go through the design process, some of the decisions that you need to do, right? But of course, that is for somebody who already has some experience in programming, not somebody who's going to try to vibe code all of this thing. For the YouTube series, we are going to continue with it, but it's not going to be like the complete Lendpoint loan management SaaS. It's going to be a redacted versions where we are not going to expose everything, just to protect my customers and also the integrity of everything in this process. So I hope that answers some of your questions. So that is going to be it for our update on our version of the project today. In our upcoming videos, we are going to do a deployment video that is going to be how to deploy a Django application, that is a Django backend and also a React frontend using Nginx. So that is going to be our new series that is going to be dropping out next week. I've been working on that. So if you're looking forward to deploy your Django and React application using Nginx, using DigitalOcean, otherwise that is going to do it for today. And also, as always, if you found some value in this video or maybe like it, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't. That really helps the algorithm. And if you have subscribed already, just be sure to give it a like, or even better, share it with somebody who might find it useful. Otherwise, thank you and see you in the next video.